Hi, it's Jim from Cunningham Transport, and today I wanted to show you a delivery that we made in local Tucson of a Timber Tiger airplane. As you can see, we're using our proprietary crane system that easily unloads the fuselage, and with the Timber Tiger kit, everything is inside the frame for the delivery. All the wing components and everything are all in the fuselage. So we're using our special dolly that balances the plane on it. And with this particular client, he has this amazing huge property that has a garage in back separate from the house that allows him to do all his car and plane projects. It just so happens that he had a winch available, so we were able to use the winch to pull it off our dolly and then add it to his dolly so he could move it around the garage. As you can see with this kit, there's a few extra pieces that are taped on to the fuselage, so we're going to remove that first, and then afterwards we'll be able to actually winch the plane up in the air and replace the dollies. What a beautiful kind of man cave garage that we have here. It has lounge area, has multiple bays for cars, and of course the plane's going to take up the main area. And there you go, a successful delivery of a Timber Tiger airplane. If you have any special need deliveries, feel free to call Cunningham Transport.